What a beautiful day!
This forest is wonderful.
Can I explore a little?
Stay close, Ethan.
Wait for me! Where did you go? I am coming! Wait for me! Wait for me! I am coming! Wow! This cave is amazing! I want to look inside! I am coming! Wow! This cave is amazing! It feels mysterious. I am coming!
Where is Ethan?
He was here.
I can't see him.
Let's find him.
I am a treasure! It looks magical. I will open it. Wow! It's beautiful! What is this key? Whoa, no! The cave is shaking! I must leave now! I'm trapped! Help!
Did you hear that?
Follow me.
I hope Ethan is safe.
Follow me.
I need another way. Don't panic. Key is glowing. Maybe it can help. I'll try it. It worked! A secret tunnel. I'm getting out.
I found his footprints.
Let's hurry. We're close. I made it! Mom! Dad!
He's over there!
We found you! Dad! I'm sorry. It's amazing!
Where did you find it?
Inside the cave. Look at that!
A treasure map.
A new adventure!
Ethan learned an important lesson today. Adventure is exciting, but family is always the greatest treasure. Sometimes, curiosity leads us to amazing discoveries, but staying safe is just as important. Did you enjoy this adventure? Would you like to watch more English stories like this? Tell us in the comments. We can't wait to read your ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next English adventure.